Hello everyone. Here is a practical session where we are going to see what is generate of method in Stream API, and we are going to see a practical coding to generate some 5 random numbers by using generate method in Stream, and we are going to see how to use it in an efficient way in programming. And first of all, we will see what is generate method. So generate method is nothing but a method in Stream API which was developed by Oracle Java developer team, and where it accepts the supplier S. So supplier is nothing but like it is a predefined functional interface which was developed by Oracle developers team, and they have implemented in Java 1.8. Basically, it accepts only it won't accept anything. It will simply supplies, right? So it is opposite to consumer function, and supplier is nothing to do with any input parameters. It will always give back the data back, right? So basically, generate method is to generate the objects into a stream based on the value we are giving, like based on the supplier S, whatever it is producing. So for us to demonstrate real-time proof of coding, I want to start with generate 5 random integer values. Before I get into this method, simply in Java, if I want to get the random number, right? So how I can do it? So what I can do here is random r is equal to new random of, right? On this, I can simply call s dot next integer, right? Because I want to get the integer random number, right? So then I can simply want to print it here. So sys out, I want to print this one here to see what is it printing, right? So let me run this program. Yeah, we guys see here some random numbers has been generated. So now I want to demonstrate using streams. So I'm just printing some hyphen symbol so that I want to show you a difference between how I can use it without stream, with stream. So now let's get into stream generate, right? So what I can do here is stream dot generate method, right? So generate method, basically it actually what it does is supplier S. So supplier is nothing but what it actually supplies, right? So what I'm trying to do here is using random. So I want to use this new of random, right? And on that I am going to call this method, right? Next int of, right? So using this method I want to produce the data, and then I want to limit it. In the previous video we have seen like how to use limit and what is that. So I want to print only 5 elements, right? So for limit of 5, and then for each element in the 5 and for each 5 elements I want to print it. So for each I can use it, and in that I'm going to use system.out println. Now let me go and run this program. So stream dot generate of new random of integer value, right? Next integer I want, and then dot limit of 5, and then for each elements in that I want to system dot out println, right? So what I'm doing here is, let me see what it is saying. Rename, right? So to generate, yeah, it's a spelling mistake. Sorry guys. So this is how it works, right? So new random of new integer of. So basically this actually ends here, and I think there is one extra over here. We don't need to use this one. Basically we have to use only the method name, not with a parenthesis, right? That is a mistake. So now it got corrected. Now let me go and run this program. Yeah, if you guys see here, it is printing like 5 random numbers, right? If I again run it, yeah, another 5 random numbers, so every time it generates because I'm calling new int of method from this random object, class object, and I'm limiting to 5. Let's say instead of 5, if I limit to 2, then it limits only 2 records, right? So that's what we have seen in the previous videos, right? How to use limit of method and where to use it. So I hope you guys understood this concept of generate method. So basically generate method in Stream API is to simply supplies the data, right? Based on the supply it will generates, right? So it will simply generates. We are not going to pass anything to the stream, but actually it creates a stream with generates some data inside the stream, right? So this is how it actually works. So I hope you guys have understood this concept. I would strongly recommend you guys to write the same program in your Eclipse and see how it goes. Thank you guys. Bye bye.